Stop avoiding carbs, stop grinding through hours of cardio, and please put down the crunch machine. You've been lied to. Let's fix that right now. 5 weight loss myths. We're tearing every single one of them down with real science, real facts, not fads. In the next 5 minutes, you'll know exactly what you've been wasting your time with and what to do about it instead. So let's get into it. Myth number 1. Carbohydrates are the enemy. Real talk, carbs are not the enemy here. Excess calories are. Complex carbohydrates, brown rice, oats, sweet potatoes. These fuel your workouts and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Here's a fact that really trips people out. Bodybuilders add carbohydrates to their diets before a competition to look leaner. Add carbs before competition to look leaner. Let that sink in. The issue isn't carbs. It's too much processed, refined stuff that your body can't utilize. A bowl of oatmeal with fruit in the morning, that's your friend. Sleeve of cookies, that's the problem. Easy swap. Ditch the white bread, keep the sweet potato. Done. What's your favorite healthy carb? Drop it in the comments below. I'm always looking for new meal ideas. Myth number 2. Cardio is the fastest way to lose fat. Look, I love cardio, but it's not the secret weapon for fat loss that people think that it is. You know what it is? Building muscle. Why? Because that's your secret key to long-term fat loss. Building muscle actually helps you burn calories while your body is at rest. We're talking burning calories while you're sitting on the couch watching TV. That's your resting metabolic rate doing the work for you. Strength training, squats, deadlifts, chest presses, rows. That's the trick that's going to turn your body into a fat-burning machine round the clock. Best approach, mix the two of them. Strength training with high-intensity cardio. Jumping rope, sprinting, whatever spikes your heart rate, whatever gets your blood going. More results, less time. I'll take that deal any day. Okay, real talk, we're halfway through, and I saved what's probably the best part for the back half. Don't go anywhere. Myth number 3, eat 6 small meals every day. Now, this one dominated the fitness industry all throughout the 90s and forward, and quite honestly, it's outdated. The truth is, your body doesn't care how many meals you eat. It doesn't care what time of day you eat at. Whether you have 2 meals or 6 meals, all that really matters is your total calorie count throughout the day. At the end of the day, it's calories in versus calories out every time. Real talk, the best eating schedule is the one that you can stick to consistently. If this is landing for you, go ahead and hit subscribe and the like button. I put out no-nonsense content like this every week. Now let's get back into it. Myth number 4, eating fat makes you fat. This is another one of those myths from the 90s that, quite frankly, is still doing damage today. The truth is, your body needs healthy fats. Your brain thrives on it. Your hormones and your organs need healthy fats to function. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, these aren't cheats. These are essentials that your body needs to keep going. The real issue, again, is excess calories. The problem is that fats are very calorically dense. It doesn't take a lot to overdo it, so you have to do it in moderation and be careful about it. But eating fat doesn't automatically turn into body fat. That's just not how metabolism works. Try this out. If you're snacking on junk food in the afternoon, swap it out for almond butter on apple slices. Healthy fats, very filling, very satisfying, won't leave you crashing and hungry later. Total game changer. Myth number 5, you can target specific places on your body for fat reduction. Look, I know you've done 1,000 crunches trying to get that six-pack. I get it. Believe me, I really do. I've done the same thing. But here's the hard truth. Spot reduction doesn't work at all. It's a complete myth. Your workout doesn't determine where you lose body fat from. Your body does, and it picks those spots at random. In fact, where you lose it from first could depend upon your gender. Some people lose it from some places earlier than others. Depends on your genetics. You can't crunch your way to a six-pack. Your abs are there, there's just a layer of fat covering them. They're just hiding. What actually works? Full body workouts, smart nutrition, consistency in the gym and in your diet. You'll get there. Just keep at it consistently and you will lose your overall body fat percentage all around your body over time, including the places that you care about the most. Trust the process. You'll get there. It takes time. What's the craziest weight loss myth you've ever heard? Drop it in the comments. Some of them are absolutely wild. All right, let's lock this in fast. Carbs don't make you fat. Excess calories do. Cardio isn't the best tool for fat loss. Building muscle is. 6 meals a day isn't magic. Total calories are what matter in the end. Healthy fats don't make you fat. One more time, too many calories is what makes you fat. And spot reduction doesn't exist. Train your whole body, it'll come together. Bottom line, and you know I mean this, results come from facts, not fads. Do the work, the results will come. You've got the knowledge. Now go use it. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe. It tells YouTube to show this video to more people who need to hear this. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with someone else that you know needs to hear it. You might save them months of frustration. Till next time, stay smart, stay strong, you got this.